Good morning, viewers. This is your host and host, Chew Banana. Welcome to another Gyandu session on our channel, MCBC Yumi 18. As we see, and of course you also see, the market has been extremely volatile over the last couple of days. To decipher the market moves and let us understand what exactly we should do at such times, we have called a market expert to our studio, Mr. Ashwasan Beimani, who is our market expert for the day. A warm welcome, Mr. Ashwasan, and thank you for coming at such a short notice. Thank you, Chu, for calling me. I, anyways, don't have anything else to do. I must admit that I can feel quite warm. Okay, besides, I'm anyway sleeping outside your studio, so coming at such a short notice is not really an issue. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. At the outset, can you give us a view of the market and what you think one should do in the current volatile environment? You see, we are staring at an unprecedented problem, and as we speak, no one has a clue of where or when or how this problem will be solved. But despite that, you know everything. Oh yeah, I'm an expert, you see. So no one knows when or where or how the corona problem will be solved. And because there are people who think that the world will find a quicker solution, they go and buy stocks. That's why the markets go up. And then there are people who think that finding a vaccine will be much prolonged. They go and sell. That's when the market goes down. And because these two set of people keep arguing every day, the markets are so volatile. That's quite intuitive, sir. Many thanks for giving us this brilliant insight. That's okay, Chu. Now coming to what one should do. In my opinion, those who haven't bought any stock so far should go and buy at the lower levels and sell at the higher levels. And for those who haven't unfortunately sold at the top, you should sell when the markets go high and buy it back when the markets go down. That is the only way I guarantee you making money. Extremely insightful, sir. So, where do you think they should go and buy and sell? I mean, what's the range? In terms of the range, I think Nifty can go down to 6,000 levels, as I think virus will extend into relapse stage and set in a panic. On the upside, I think the Nifty could go up to 13,000 levels, as I can see every country trying to find a solution for the problem. But then, sir, 6,000 to 13,000 is a very wide range. Of course it is true. That's the extent of money one can make if your viewers listen to my recommendations. If they buy lower and sell higher, and vice versa, imagine the extent of money they'll be making. Yes, sir, that's right, of course, but where do you think it will go first, 6,000 or 13,000? Abe Chu, how would I know that? If I knew so much with that kind of precision, do you think I would be sleeping outside your studio waiting to earn some crumbs off you? Mr. Ashwasan, so that's very nice. We have seen that banking stocks have been extremely volatile. So what's your view on HDFC Bank right now? Well, I recommend a sell on HDFC Bank with a target of 850 and a stop loss of 950. But Bemanji, that's only a 10 rupee profit and a 90 rupee loss. You see, Chu, that's the strategy we should adopt if we want to retain our viewers on a channel. If they won't make losses today, why will they return to watch your show tomorrow? They come with a hope to make some profit and to recover yesterday's losses, isn't it? So viewers, now you see why we call all such experts on our show. What a brilliant business partner is he. Not only does he guide you on how to make money, he takes care of our interest as well. Thank you, sir. Another big question on the minds of the viewers is what steps should the government take to tackle the crisis that our nation is facing? Well, we need the government to address the issue not only with monetary stimulus but also with fiscal stimulus. See how it works is that when monetary stimulus transmission happens with the end consumer, fiscal stimulus starts to work with more gravity and stimulates the economy. Fiscal and monetary stimulus goes hand in hand to revive. There's no other way out. Ashwasanji, that sounds a little bit confusing. Can you give some more clarity? Uh, I must admit, I myself haven't, sort of got more clarity on this. I mean, I merely noted down what some expert had said on some other channel yesterday. You know, they say, right, that when you can't convince, confuse. Oh, that's so nice of you, Baymanji, for such a candid explanation as ever. Well, that's all the time we have on our show today, sir. Thank you so much for your time. But before we let you go, can you let our viewers know as to what you think our country should do to get rid of the dangerous virus? I'm going to share a secret which I recently shared with the Health Minister, Dr. Fadniwas. Simply chant Go Corona Go 108 times every morning while flickering your eyes and clapping your hands. Corona or any other virus will never dare to come close to you. My genuine request to all you viewers, please listen to my advice on this subject and chant the mantra every day. Also, listen to what the government has to say. Stay indoors and stay safe. Well, thank you so much, sir. It's such a pleasure to listen to your candid advice as always. Well, viewers, that's all for today we have in our Gyandu session. Till next time, you take care and stay indoors. Stay safe.